Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 8 for the subject of general knowledge. In this lesson that is being submitted to you on the 19th July year 2021, we will learn about hurricanes. Introduction. A hurricane is a tropical cyclone that occurs in the Atlantic Ocean and northeastern Pacific Ocean, and a typhoon occurs in the northwestern Pacific Ocean, in the South Pacific or Indian Ocean. Comparable storms are referred to simply as tropical cyclones or severe cyclonic storms. A tropical cyclone is a rotating low pressure weather system that has organized thunderstorms but no fronts, a boundary separating two air masses of different densities. When a storm's maximum sustained winds reach 74 mph, it is called a hurricane. The Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale is a 1 to 5 rating or category based on a hurricane's maximum sustained winds. The higher the category, the greater the hurricane's potential for property damage. Hurricane season begins on June 1 and ends on November 30. Although hurricanes can and have occurred outside of this time frame, NOAA's National Hurricane Center predicts and tracks these massive storm systems, which occur on average 12 times a year in the Atlantic Basin. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Scale. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Scale is a 1 to 5 rating based on the hurricane's present intensity. This is used to give an estimate of the potential property damage and flooding expected along the coast from a hurricane landfall. Wind speed is the determining factor in the scale, as storm surge values are highly dependent on the slope of the continental shelf in the landfall region. Note that all winds are using the US 1 minute average. Student, I am giving you 3 minutes break now. Pause the audio and start the audio after 3 minutes. Welcome back, students. Let us resume our topic of hurricane. Category 1 hurricane. Winds 74 to 95 mph, that is 64 to 82 kt or 119 to 153 kph. Storms are generally 4 to 5 feet above normal. No real damage to building structures. Damage primarily to unanchored mobile homes, shrubbery and trees. Some damage to poorly constructed signs. Also, some coastal red flooding and minor pier damage. Hurricanes Allison of 1995 and Danny of 1997 were Category 1 hurricane at peak intensity. Category 2 hurricane. Winds 96 to 110 mph, that is 83 to 95 kt, or 154 to 177 kph. Storm surge generally 6 to 8 feet above normal. Some roofing material, door and window damage of building. Considerable damage to shrubbery and trees, with some trees blown down. Considerable damage to mobile homes, poorly constructed signs and piers. Coastal and low-lying escape routes flooded 2 to 4 hours before arrival of the hurricane center. Small craft in unprotected anchorages break mooring. Hurricane Bonnie of 1998 was a Category 2 hurricane when it hit the North Carolina coast, while Hurricane George of 1998 was a Category 2 hurricane when it hit the Florida Keys and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Students, I am ending the lesson here. We will continue the topic of hurricanes in our next assignment. Kindly read the assignment carefully. Thank you.